everyone. In today's session, we are just going to discuss about protocol, that is allow, duty cycle, and wake up concept. One such protocol is Sparse Technology and Energy Management, so shortly abbreviated as STEM. This actually provides a solution for idle listening. That is, whenever the node is deployed to wait, automatically its behavior is going to change. So here the network is going to have a monitor state where to check whenever the node remains idle and whenever it is going to do perform some task and whenever it is in the transmission state, whenever it is going to be in the communication state, all these things are being monitored by this monitor state in such a way to minimize the idle listening problem. Yeah, here we have been given up with the pictorial representation. Okay, so under this, what happens? A node enter and leave the sleep node, network topology is going to change. Okay, it will not remain the same for all the node. If you are having n number of nodes, it is time, wake up period, the sleep period, and the listen period is going to be changed. It entirely depends upon the application for which the sensor network is going to be deployed. So here majorly you are having two wake up channels. One is two channels, one is wake up channel, the other one is data channel. So the data channel will be always in the sleep mode other than the time used for transmitting and receiving the data packets. So generally this wake up channel is divided into fixed length wake up period of T. So the time taken for receiving should be less than T, and the sleep period, that is the wake up channel receiver, automatically enters the sleep mode. Okay, that's total period is called the wake up period. So whenever a node is entering into a listening period, we can say it automatically switches for the wake up channel and it will be awaiting for the incoming signals to come to it. So once nothing is coming means automatically it again go to the sleep state. So if a packet is coming means it will be taking the data either for the transmitter side or to the receiver side. So here we are having two different variants of transmitter. So one is if you are taking stem B, here the transmitter issues are called beacon. So these are nothing but without sensing the carrier, without analyzing the sensor network environment, these will be setting up the wake up channel awake. Okay, so it will be indicating the MAC address to which the transmitter and the receivers are present. So as soon as the receiver receives a beacon, it automatically ends up with an acknowledgement so that the wake up channel get ready to get the transmitting packet. Okay, it has to be get ready for the next transmission cycle. Whereas if you take stem T, here what happens? The transmitter will be keep on sending a simple busy tone so as long as it receives the receiver's listen period. So this busy tone will be very long. Actually, this busy tone does not carry any address information. It just makes a sense that is it is intimating the nodes which are apart from the transmitter and receiver that that particular nodes are very busy, they are under transmission, so please do not disturb, likewise it will be giving up. So once this busy tone ends up, we can come to a conclusion that the transmission and the reception process is completed and therefore it will be waiting for an acknowledgement for the next transmission process to get initiated. So by doing so, what happens? It actually minimizes the idle listening problem, which is going to be a great headache of this wireless sensor network protocols. Thank you for listening.